Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet a cup cozy that keeps your hands warm and reduces tension in your wrist and hands due to gripping. This pattern is part of a very special event called the Advent Calendar Crochet Along Volume 2. It has a mystery feature to it because you don't know which pattern I will be publishing each day. The entire event has 30 crochet patterns. 24 of them will be available free to view on my website. But again, you don't know which one. The 24 patterns will also be available in my membership, ad-free and printer-friendly. You can also get those on Ravelry and Etsy as a PDF. All 30 crochet patterns include a video tutorial. If you want to get all 30 crochet patterns ad-free and printer-friendly, then get my ebook at the link down below in the description or my website. All 30 crochet patterns are last-minute gift ideas. The entire event is sponsored by Premier Yarns. Now let's get started with today's quick crochet pattern. In order to get started, you're going to need some cotton yarn. I'm using Premier's Cotton Sprout worsted yarn in red. I'm also using a 4mm crochet hook. Make a chain of 30. I'm going to make a smaller one just to show you how these stitches work. Once you're done, you're going to slip stitch to the first chain you made. Make sure that your loop is straight. You don't have any twists in there. Now chain 2, insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and yarn over. Insert your hook into the first stitch and yarn over. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. You made your very first linked double crochet. This chain does not count. Now insert your hook into that horizontal bar of that double crochet. Yarn over and pull through. This is your yarn over for the double crochet. Now insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now go ahead and do this all the way around, and now I'll show you how to do the slip stitch. Once you finish the round, pull out your loop of your last stitch, insert your hook from the back to the front in your very first stitch. Then take your loop and pull it back like so. So it's not really a slip stitch, you're just moving the location of the loop. Now chain 2 and start over with the process. So insert your hook into the second chain from the hook, then yarn over and pull through, then do the same with the first stitch and finish it up like a double crochet. Now go ahead and do this all the way around. You're going to do this for 5 rounds and it's going to look like this. Then you're going to make a second one just like it, so the exact same way. And now you're going to take one of them and twist into this direction so that it lays on top of each other like an X or like a plus sign. Now you're going to take the top one and sew it onto the back one. I personally don't like glue for this because we're going to use it for hot beverages, so glue is not the best one. But sewing is much better and is also more sturdy and you can wash it easily. So now you just need to sew it on. I would recommend in a square all the way around and then maybe inside a little bit so you don't have it, flapping around. Let me do this and I'll show you how it looks like. And once you sewed it on, it's going to look like this. So you can now insert your hot beverage and put your hand through it, and now you don't have to hold it super tight anymore. Your hand kind of holds it, and you can even move your thumb because sometimes having the thumb all the way around, it can cause pain in your hand or wrist. So having this little loop right here gives it a little bit of a break, and you can still drink your beverage as normal without it sliding out or you having to hold it super tight. It's a very handy little thing you can keep in your purse. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a new video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. I'm sure you want to. I'll see you next time. Bye.